Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very strong move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, today wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree, good, solid move on the Bulls' part. But that does lead to the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at the 95-cent mark. Why is 95 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 95 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, pulls all the way down there, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd still have this set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. So to me, 95 cents is that must-hold level. Preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above the pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would be, the best case going forward. But if the price does drop below the pink line, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that, because again, the bulls would still have an opportunity to quote unquote make progress by staying up above 95 cents. What about areas of resistance? This one's pretty straightforward. And I say that because the sellers really weren't hiding. They made themselves pretty apparent where they're hanging out at, and that's up there at $1.23, which is kind of a random location. But you can see on 2 different occasions, including the final 30 minutes, bulls try to get up through $1.23 and couldn't quite do it. Not saying it can't be broken, but apparently according to the story of the chart here, the bulls are going to need to bring their A game in order to fight through it. No doubt about it, though. Very nice day today. Great way to close out the week, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.